Want to be a topper in math and reading? Here are the exact habits you need, and anyone can do them. Part 1. Build strong basics. Math. Don't rush. Understand why formulas work, not just how to use them. Focus on weak areas, like fractions, decimals, or word problems. Practice a little every day. Even 15 minutes makes a huge difference. Reading. Read daily, books, news, short stories, anything. Learn 3 new words a day and use them in real sentences. After reading, summarize it in 2 to 3 sentences. It helps your memory and understanding. Part 2. Practice with purpose. Math. Track your mistakes. Write what went wrong and how to fix it. Solve problems in a timed setting. Start small, like 5 questions in 10 minutes. Teach someone else, explaining makes you smarter. Reading. Ask questions while reading. Why did that happen? What's the main point? Read different types of texts, poems, articles, stories, to improve comprehension. Discuss what you read with someone, even just for 1 minute. Part 3. Stay consistent and improve. Set daily mini goals. Example: finish 1 math topic or read 5 pages. Track your study days with a calendar or app. Seeing progress keeps you going. Test yourself once a week and review what you got wrong. And don't forget, ask for help when you need it. Toppers aren't afraid to ask questions. Smart habits make smart students, and if you stay consistent, you will reach the top. Thanks for watching.